Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 26th of August. And first of all, national news. India on Thursday reiterated that it will continue recruiting Gorkha soldiers to the Indian Army under the Agnipath scheme. Addressing a group of 175 IAS officers of the 2020 batch, President Murmu said, "Be sensitive to people. Civil servants should try to reach underprivileged people." India condemned attack on Salman Rushdie, wishes him speedy recovery. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Thursday chaired a high-level meeting to review the security situation in Jammu and Kashmir. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde on Thursday urged PM Narendra Modi to give approval for bestowing classical language status on Marathi. Only God can stop us, manager explained demolition of Noida Twin Towers. The Delhi Traffic Police has penalized more than 900 people in the last 5 days under a special drive against pressure horns and modified silencers. Scientist Samir V. Kamat appointed as new Chief of Defense Research Body. Assam government shuts 34 schools after all students fail class 10th board exams. Comedian Raju Srivastav, who has been under hospitalization for the past 15 days after suffering a cardiac arrest, gained consciousness on Thursday. And now some international news. More US lawmakers set to visit Taiwan amid China tensions. Germany introduced world's first hydrogen-powered trains. Ex-Malaysia Prime Minister Nazib Razak could face more charges in corruption case. India voted against Russia in UN Security Council vote on Ukraine AFAST. China drought caused parts of Yangtze to dry up, Buddhist statues revealed. Imran Khan's pre-arrest bail on terrorism charges extended. Rescuers saved dog that fell 100 feet from top of cliff in England. Japan police head resigned over lapses in ex-PM Shinzo Abe's security. And now some sports news. BWF World Championship, Saina Nehwal crashed out. Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy, Chirag Cruz into quarterfinals. Talented cricketer Cheteshwar Pujara's big praise for Pakistan star Mohammad Rizwan ahead of Asia Cup. Asia Cup 2022, big fan of you. Babar Azam obliged excited fans signed cricket ball for him. The Asia Cup will begin in the United Arab Emirates from August 27 and the teams have already arrived for the continental tournament. Now news related to business. Sensex Nifty followed sharply, snapping a 2-session winning streak. Krishnamurthy Subramanian appointed as Executive Director at IMF. Bank credit growth accelerated to 14.2% in June quarter RBI data. SEBI framed disclosure requirements for asset management firms. India Post to start doorstep services, open 10,000 post offices official. Rupee weakened to near 79.90 per dollar as oil surge weighs. 8 years of systematic reform increased macroeconomic stability, RBI member. Government puts restrictions on export of wheat flour. ESIC Health Checkup Scheme added 15.47 lakh new members in June. And now let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. On 26th of August, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 34 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 28 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.